I think I'm turning into Jack Edwards' second channel, Jack in the Books, because all I'm doing is buying books and making reading lists, but I'm not reading them. Like, I want to become Jack Edwards' first channel, but instead I am the second one. I bought some books recently again because there is a sale going on Amazon. So here is another book haul. The first one is Private Rights by Julia Armfield. I loved Our Wives Under the Sea, and I don't know anything about this book except that it is about these three sisters who have not spoken for a really long time. But from what I can gather from Our Wives Under the Sea, Julia Armfield's writing is really eerie and haunting and beautiful, and it really sticks with you. So I'm hoping that this book is also like that, and I really like reading this. Next is Narja by Andre Breton. This is translated by Mark Polizzotti, I think. There is another translation, but that is kind of archaic if I'm not mistaken. Like, this is a newer translation, so I think for me this one would be better than the older translation. This book describes the original Manic Pixie Dream Girl and the original idea of surrealism, which is something I recently discovered. Also, this is the book that Dakota Warren really loved a few years back, and she talked about this book, and I had kept this in my wishlist for a really long time. So now is probably the time that I finally read this. Next, I bought All About Love by Bell Hooks. The book Leo said that this is her favorite book of the year so far, so I did not really need another reason for why I wanted to buy this book. Next is The Well of Loneliness by Radcliffe Hall. I don't know anything about this book except that this is about loneliness and lesbians during a time period when lesbians were probably not accepted. So I think this is going to be clearly a really fun read. Next is Sunburn by Chloe Michelle Howarth. Again, I don't know anything about this book except that this is about obsession with a person or your crush, and it is kind of like a modern version of The Well of Loneliness. This is something that I am adding actually, because I really think that this is kind of like The Well of Loneliness, since I bought both of these books because they contain the same themes. Last book is Gold Rush by Olivia Petter. It is a story about consent, celebrity culture, and trying to figure out where women fit in a world that consistently devalues and disrespects their bodies. This sentence is the reason why I bought this book. These were the books that I added to my never ending TBR, and I honestly have lost all hope that I can reduce the number of books on my TBR to 50. Like, it's just hopeless now, and I have accepted it, and hopefully I will enjoy reading these books.